Hello everyone, Rupsath this side. So today we are going to do a mini haul of Mata Pattis and Shish Pattis for this upcoming wedding season, that is 2025. So what is special about these Mata Pattis and Shish Pattis? So this Mata Pattis and Shish Pattis are specially customized by me and handpicked by me, keeping in mind the forehead, the pearls, the trend, the outfit, etc. These are specially and exclusively customized with the best quality, with the best material, which is next to gold. So I'll show you some of the masterpieces what we have got for you. Let me show you one of my favorite piece from my collection. वैसे बहुत सारे favorite pieces है मेरे collection में, but this one has my heart. So look at the design, look at the detailing. It's like mashallah. So this Mata Patti is made up of Pachi Kundan is the first layer, and second is white beads, and third is a crystal in the mint green color. And look at how it looks like. After you wear it now, you'll feel the royalness, like it gives that royal vibe. And look at it, like so beautiful it looks. And look at the back setting and the locking system here. I have made it specially for the rent so that toot na jaye or mehnat bekar na jaye. We have made this one in white color as well, and this piece आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ और सिर्फ नज़ाकत में ही मिल सकता है, तो आइए और ले जाइए. Next we have the Shish Patti, and look at it, like how beautiful it is. All these are made of Pachi Kundans, and look at it, like how beautiful it looks, and it is specially customized by me, and you can't find it anywhere. Like कहीं पे मिलेगा, किसी और के पास नहीं मिलेगा, because these are handpicked and customized by me only. ये कोई कॉपी करने वाला डिज़ाइन नहीं है, ये बनाया हुआ है. Like this are made by me. Okay, so look at the detailing it has, and look at the back setting, and look at the patti, very beautiful, like mashallah. Here I have a Shish Patti as well, the alone, you can call it as a headband as well. So this is also with the back setting and with the pearl and the Pachi Kundan this side, and this is how it looks when you wear it along with the tika. You can take the tika separately and then use it along with that to create the shish full effect, and this is how it looks. This is the Matha Patti, one more Matha Patti in our newest collection. So this is not the Pachi Kundan, this is the Tyani Kundan ka, and along with this you'll get the bigger and the smaller bits. This is the close-up look of it, and look at the pearls, look at the shine, look at how beautiful it looks, and mashallah, look at how beautiful it looks, like so mashallah, it's looking so beautiful. The Matha Patti itself giving me that royal vibe. Yes, and this is one of my favorite piece from my collection, as in the Shish Pulka section. So it looks like it's giving me that vibe, royal wedding ka vibe, and the detailing and the pearl ka work, like piroi moti, is like top notch. And this is it. This is the Shish Pul we all are craving for this wedding season. And do visit Nazakath by Rupsath for more updates. You can visit, you can check here. We do have more variety. We have more varieties of Matha Pattis, Shish Pattis, etc. And there are more coming into the collections. And we do have many sections. We have a separate section for the Matha Patti, separate for the Shish Patti, Pasa ka alag section, Mang Tika ka 3 section we have.
Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share and drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Hit the bell icon for more updates.